Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal here. Welcome to PRCUMP. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding how to make a permanent deletion from your computer of any document. Normally, we know what we do is we right click on a particular document and then we click on delete and it goes to the recycle bin. Now, if you want to make if I want to make a permanent deletion from your computer of a particular document, then select the particular document, and then click on shift and delete, press at the same time shift and delete, and it will go to the recycle bin. Sorry, it will not go to the recycle bin, it will permanently delete from your system. Means select the document, click, then after selecting the document, press shift, and then keeping the pressing the shift button, you you means press the shift button, and then at the same time press on delete. You will get a message that confirm deletion or not. If you press yes, then it will be completely deleted from your system. So this is the way we can at once we can delete it from your system any document. So this is all about the session. My name is Tomaldas, representing PRCUMP. Official website is prccump.org.in, and service we provide is providing government registered certificate course after the completion of course, provide tuition on CC++, VB Java, provide maintenance on computer, make designing on banners, flex posters, sell dry fruits. Call is 8420879158, as well as that is my WhatsApp number. Thank you for being with us. Stay for more updates. Thank you.